Hi, Bernina Embroidery fans. I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and you've caught me in the middle of the filming of the Bernina 790 Plus sewing and embroidery machine, but I want to invite you. I know a lot of you don't use your embroidery unit to its fullest, or maybe you're a little scared about it. I would invite you over to our Embroidery Essentials online course. This is a course that I've designed that you can follow along step by step and master every corner of your embroidery machine, because you're going to be working through 15 different embroidery techniques. But the repetition of each of those techniques over and over and over help you get more comfortable with this machine. If you want to see what all of our other students have been doing, hop over to our Embroidery Essentials online course Facebook group and see all the fabulous finished projects and hear what people are saying about mastering their machine. And it doesn't matter which embroidery machine you have, this course is designed to help you through all those basics. So please join us. Trust me, it is going to be the best way to go from zero to hero in using your machine. So I hope to see you in class soon.